and welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video, we will learn to install Visual Studio Code for C++ in Windows 10. So let's get straight to it. First, you need to go to your browser and type in MinGW. The very first link from SourceForge, click on it and click on download, and your download will start shortly. This will install the MinGW installer, and it's already installed. In the next tab, you can go and type VS Code from the Visual Studio Code itself. Click on the link and click on download for Windows. It will also install shortly. It's just 88 MBs. So let's first set up our MinGW. Go to downloads and MinGW. Click install. This it will be installed in C drive. Continue. After this is done, click on continue, and this window will appear in front of you. From this, you will select MinGW32 GCC G++, mark for installation, and the second thing you will mark is the MinGW32 base, mark for installation. Click on installation and apply changes and apply. So this is done. Click on close and you can close this window as well. Now the next thing you need to do is go to this PC and locate where MinGW was installed. Mine was in local disk C, so I'll just go there, click on MinGW, click on bin, and if you click here, you will get path for MinGW bin. Copy this path and now search for environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Click on it. Click on environment variables. Click on path and click on new. Variable name is path and variable value is what you copied, and OK. And click on OK here as well. So this part is done. Now we will move on to the installation of VS Code. We go to downloads again. This was our setup that was installed. Click on it. I accept the agreement. Next. I already have installed it before, so it says that would you like to install the folder anyway. I'll just click on yes. Next, and choose according to your preference here. Create a desktop icon. I would prefer all of these. So now click on next and so yeah, this was it, and finish. So our setup is done. Now you should create a new folder. Name it anything you like. I'll just name it Crypto Coders, and right click on it and open with code. So this is the interface you will be getting. This is our folder that we just created. You can yes, I trust the author, and from this icon here you can create files within the folder. I'll just name it tutorial1.cpp. CPP is the extension for C++. Click on enter and this file is created, and you can type in the file here. So you first you need to install a few extensions. This is the icon for extensions. Click on it and here you will search C this one, C++ IntelliSense. Install this. And after installing this, the second thing you need to install is Code Runner. Code Runner. This. Install this as well. So both these extensions are installed. You can close the extension tab. Now go on settings and click on settings. Here type in Code Runner. And you need to find this Code Runner run in terminal and make sure that this checkbox is checked, like I have right now. This will ensure that the program we run will run in the terminal. So this was all the setup we needed. Here you can type in the code. I've already written a small code for you just to show you how it will run. You can paste here, and from here you can run code. So here it is. Our code ran successfully. Hello world that we wanted to print on the screen. So yeah, this was it for today. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.